As I said, going to family management now, and you'll see that there are two folders there, mum and child. Now obviously the guardian or parent, you want them to have access to the restrictions, but you can click on and off depending on a choice, and it gives you a sort of a warning, the description of what you're actually doing. Now obviously if you don't want the child to have access, then obviously you won't click that. These two files, by the way, are just giving you the information about what is available, and obviously if you want to make a mistake or you want to begin afresh or just delete access completely, you then just delete the user completely, which then takes away screenshots. And if you have a little bits and pieces, again, it does, when you are deleting that, it tells you what you're actually removing. And then obviously once, you know, if you want to delete one or two, they're gone. That's it. Your parameters for that are then reset. Parental controls and family management. The parental controls are there for restricting younger than the member family or minors from getting into software that's not meant for them. Obviously that goes without saying, but there seems to be a big misconception when you create another user, child user, whatever. You actually don't control the family management and parental controls within that account. You actually have to manage them from the family member, the family management member, and then they're automatically applied outside of that user. So you actually don't apply them when you're actually in the user, although you can go in now. Strictly speaking, you can, but you need to configure a second Sony Entertainment account to actually do that. So if you're actually running your PlayStation with one PlayStation Network account, then that's not going to work. You have to create a second one for the other users, which, if you're not careful, can get a little confusing. Well, that's all from this video. I hope you found it more helpful. As always, I'm still getting comments and questions, which is great. That's why I do the channel, so I can just make it a bit more clearer. So again, your feedback, as always, you give me feedback, which is great. So thanks very much for that. If you like the video, hit a like. If you want to hear more on the channel, hit the subscribe, because there's plenty more to come, as always. And if you want to hear updates of the channel, hit that notifications tab there as well. Okay, thanks very much everyone. At the Xenophobic 73, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks now. Bye bye.